In this video, I will be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter. Let's start over by the glove box. Open that up. The next thing you want to do is reach along either side of the glove box. You're going to find that you have locking ears. We'll tug in on this side, tug in on the other, and then we should be able to slide this down. Once you have that down, you can carefully reach inside here. You're going to find a rectangular door. On the passenger side of that door, there's a squeeze tab. We'll squeeze that tab in and carefully remove the door. Directly behind that area is where your cabin air filter is located. We'll reach in here and remove the cabin air filter from its housing. There it is, friends. All right, so now it's time to install our brand new cabin air filter. Have a look at this side right here. It tells you airflow with an arrow facing down. That's the way you want to have the filter. You do not want to have this upside down. It will not function properly. Let's slide this into place. Press it in as far as it can go. Once you have that in there, continue on with your door. Looking along the driver's side of this, you can tell it has a locating tab. We're going to take this and slide it into its corresponding area on the box, and then we'll lock in the passenger side. That should want to click right in. I'm going to give it a little tug. Make sure it's completely secure. Once you're sure it looks good, continue on by closing your glove box.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.